Hey everyone, today in this episode, I am going to show you how to master marketing at the intersection of art, science, and AI, where we explore the cutting edge trends and technologies that are shaping the future of marketing. So, we will delve deep into the world of marketing at the intersection of art, science, and AI apps. In today's ever changing marketing world, there are new marketers who use smart computer tools to work better. These tools, like Zapier, use AI to make marketing easier. Imagine them as modern heroes with AI superpowers. With these tools, they work faster, adapt to changes quickly, and make customers happier. AI not only helps them work efficiently, but also understand what customers like. It is like knowing your friend's favorite food without asking. This way, they create ads and offers that people really love. Plus, AI makes customers happy by providing instant answers even in the middle of the night. These marketers are like superheroes, using AI to make marketing easier, better, and more customer friendly. They will keep using AI to make marketing even cooler and more exciting as the world keeps changing. In the world of AI, marketers are also like creative thinkers and content makers. They have to come up with original ideas and make interesting stuff. They use AI tools to help them do their job better. It is like mixing creativity with technology. AI is changing what customers expect. In the future, customers will want things that are made just for them, like when you get a special recommendation on a website or a product suggestion that fits your taste perfectly. AI can do this by giving personalized help all the time, day or night. AI is like a super smart helper that can understand lots of information and figure out what people like. This helps marketers make things that feel really personal, like a friend giving you advice. It can even guess what customers might want before they ask for it. So, AI is like a magic ingredient that makes marketing more exciting and customer friendly. In this new world, marketers and creators are like the designers of a customer focused future. AI, which is like super smart computer stuff, can help us a lot. It can do boring, repetitive jobs for us, so we can spend more time doing interesting and important things at work. This makes our jobs more enjoyable, whether we work in offices, stores, or other places. So when businesses use AI, they can focus on fixing the things that bother customers the most. You don't have to try to fix everything all at once. It is better to start with small changes that make a big difference and do them well. For example, a company might use AI to answer customer questions instantly, like a helpful robot. Or they might use AI to understand what customers like and don't like. This helps improve the parts of the business that matter most to customers step by step. So, instead of replacing people, AI is like a helpful assistant that makes our jobs better and businesses more customer friendly. In summary, to thrive in this AI-driven era of marketing, remember these three key points. Be the marketer who embraces AI apps to accelerate your work and provide exceptional customer experiences. Recognize that marketers are also creators, blending creativity with AI tools to produce original, engaging content. And lastly, focus on specific AI use cases that can boost 10 times the customer experience in your journey. It has been enjoyable to delve into the thrilling potential of AI in the field of marketing. Keep in mind, AI isn't just a trendy term, it is a game-changing influence. Embrace it, try it out, and stay at the forefront of innovation in your marketing endeavors. If you haven't had a chance to view our other videos on this topic, I suggest checking out our playlist. That's all for now. Additionally, if you found this video educational and are hungry for more business knowledge, please think about becoming a subscriber to our channel. Your support is what fuels this channel and allows us to keep delivering valuable information. We are excited about connecting with you in our future videos. Thanks for tuning in and see you in our next video.